Welcome to the Road Rival, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ram 1500, a truck that continues to redefine power, luxury, and innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this pickup a standout in its class. Design and styling. The 2025 Ram 1500 boasts a bold and refined design that seamlessly blends rugged capability with modern sophistication. Its signature grille, available in multiple finishes, commands attention, while sleek LED lighting adds a touch of elegance. The truck's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves fuel efficiency. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring premium materials, ergonomic controls, and a spacious layout that ensures comfort for both driver and passengers. Performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 1500 offers a range of powerful engine options, including a turbocharged V6, a robust V8, and a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. These engines deliver impressive towing and payload capacities, making it a versatile choice for work and play. Advanced suspension systems, like the available air ride suspension, provide a smooth ride on any terrain, while the available four-wheel drive system ensures confidence in challenging conditions. Technology and features. The 2025 Ram 1500 is packed with state-of-the-art technology. The centerpiece is the massive Uconnect infotainment system, featuring a 12-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls and seamless smartphone integration. Available features include a premium audio system, wireless charging, and a heads-up display. Safety is also a priority, with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Conclusion. The 2025 Ram 1500 is more than just a truck, it's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or cruising in style, this pickup delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching Road Rival. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth looks at the vehicles shaping the future of driving. See you next time.